Morning students, today I am going to start differentiation of implicit function. Implicit function is, we know that function is y equal to fx. This is the functions here. Implicit function means relation between x and y. Relation between fx and y means the form of this y function fy it is equal to ac. So it is called implicit function. That is, if the equation is given this x square plus y square equal to a square. X square plus y square equal to a square. This is the, we know that this is the equation of the circle. This is the equation of the circle. We have to differentiate with respect to x. So what we will get? D by dx of x square plus y square it is equal to d by dx of a square, or d by dx of x square plus d by dx of y square it is equal to 0. Since d by dx of constant term is 0 and d by dx of x square is 2x and plus d by dx of y square will be 2y and differential of y will be dy by dx equal to 0, or 2y dy by dx equal to minus 2x, this 2 will be cancelled, or dy by dx it is equal to minus x by y. So in this way you have to differentiate here. Now we will see some questions here. If it is given this xy plus y square equal to 10x plus y. Xy plus y square equal to 10x plus y. Again we have to differentiate, that is d by dx of xy plus d by dx of y square equal to d by dx of 10x plus d by dx of y. Now differentiate. See here, it is a product of two functions. X and y are the two functions. So we will use the product formula. That is first function into differential of second plus second into differential of first. So we will get here x into d by dx of y plus y into d by dx of x plus differential of y square will be 2y dy by dx. Differential of y square will be 2y and differential of y will be dy by dx equal to d by dx of 10x is sec square x plus d by dx of y will be dy by dx. Now for the here x into d by dx of y will be dy by dx plus y into d by dx of x will be 1 plus 2y dy by dx it is equal to sec square x plus dy by dx. So we have differentiated here. Now we have to collect dy by dx. So bring all the terms of dy by dx one side and take another terms on the other side. So we will get here x dy by dx plus 2y dy by dx. Now bring this dy by dx this side, so it will be minus dy by dx. It is equal to sec square x, and here take this y on the other side. Take this y on the other side, so it will be minus y. Now from here dy by dx is common, so take dy by dx common. So we will get x plus 2y minus 1 it is equal to sec square x minus y, or dy by dx it is equal to sec square x minus y upon x plus 2y minus 1. This is the answer. So whenever the question is given this, we have to differentiate in this form and we have to collect dy by dx. Now next question. X cube plus y cube plus equal to 3axy. X cube plus y cube equal to 3ay. Now again differentiate here. So it will be d by dx of x cube plus d by dx of y cube equal to 3a is constant. So take outside, and here the product of two functions is given. So we will use the product formula. So first function, that is x into d by dx of y plus y into d by dx of x. Here 3axy is given, 3a is a constant term, so take it outside from the bracket. So using their product formula, that is first function into differential of second plus second into differential of first. So here what we will get? Here we will get x cube. X cube is 3x square plus 3y square and differential of y will be dy by dx. It is equal to 3a into x, the differential of y will be dy by dx plus y into differential of x will be this. Or for the 3x square plus 3y square, or we can take 3 common from here. Take 3 common here. So 3 into x square plus y square dy by dx, it is equal to 3ax dy by dx plus y. Now this 3 cancel with this 3. Or simplified. So x square plus y square dy by dx, it is equal to ax dy by dx plus ay. Now same way we will bring dy by dx one side and take another terms on the other side. So bring dy by dx this side. So we will get here y square dy by dx minus ax dy by dx, it is equal to ay minus, take this x square on the other side, so it will be minus x square. Now from here take dy by dx common, so it is y square minus ax, it is equal to ay minus x square, or dy by dx, it is equal to ay minus x square upon y square minus ax. This is the result. Now again further question, that is here next question is 10x plus y plus 10x plus y plus 10x minus y, it is equal to 1. 10x plus y plus 10x minus y equal to 1. Now we know that differential of 10x is sec square x. So here d by dx of 10x plus y plus d by dx of 10x minus y, it is equal to d by dx of 1. Now differentiate this. So 10 differential of 10x is sec square x. So we will get here sec square x plus y. Since it is the function here, see x plus y here, so we have to differentiate that also. D by dx of x plus y. Now here 10x plus y is given, so we have to differentiate sec square x plus y. Then further we have to differentiate d by dx of x plus y. Plus same way here it will be sec square x minus y into d by dx of x minus y, and differential of 1 is 0. Further we will get sec square x plus y into differential of x is 1 and y is dy by dx. Here d by dx of x plus y is given, so differential of x will be 1 and differential of y will be dy by dx plus sec square x minus y, and here for the differential of x is 1, y is dy minus dy by dx equal to 0. Now we will simplify, open the bracket and collect dy by dx one side. So we will get here sec square x plus y plus sec square x plus y dy by dx. Just open the bracket plus sec square x minus y minus sec square x minus y dy by dx equal to 0. Simplify. We have just opened the bracket and now you collect dy by dx one side and the other on the other side. So we can write here, take this dy by dx and this term this side. So from here dy by dx is common. So we will get here sec square x plus y. And here minus is given, minus sec square x minus y. Take this term on the other side. So it will be minus sec square x plus y minus sec square x plus minus 1. Here, this term we have taken on the other side, this term and this term. Now, here further we will get dy by dx, it is equal to, take minus sign common here, so it will be here sec square x plus y plus sec square x minus y upon sec square x plus y minus sec square x minus y. You leave like this or multiply this minus sign this side, then also you will get the answer. So just same way you have to do. Now next question. Now next is given, if y under root 1 minus x square plus x under root 1 minus y square equal to 1. If y under root 1 minus x square plus x into 1 minus y square equal to 1, prove that dy by dx plus under root 1 minus y square upon 1 minus x square equal to 0. Under root x square 1 minus y square plus upon under root 1 minus x square equal to 0. Now see what is given. Given is here y under root 1 minus x square plus x into under root 1 minus y square equal to 1. What we will do? We will put here, put x equal to sine alpha. It means alpha equal to sine inverse x. What we have put? We are replacing x by sine alpha or alpha equal to sine inverse x. Similarly, y equal to sine beta. It means beta equal to sine inverse y. What we will do? We will replace x by sine alpha and y by sine alpha. Then here our question is given in x and y. So we have to change we have to replace alpha and beta also. So alpha will be replaced by sine inverse x and beta will be replaced by sine inverse y. So put the value here in this equation. So we will get y. Y means sine beta into under root 1 minus sine square alpha. Y is replaced by sine beta, x is replaced by sine alpha plus x sine alpha into under root 1 minus sine square beta, it is equal to 1. Now sine beta, here 1 minus sine square alpha is cos square alpha, so it is under root cos square alpha plus sine alpha under root sine cos square beta equal to 1, or we will get sine beta cos alpha plus sine alpha cos beta equal to 1. Now see the denominator here. this is of the form cos, that is here this is of the form sin A cos B plus cos A sin B sin A plus B. It is of the form, means it is of the form sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. It is of the form sin A plus B. So in place of A or beta is given, in place of B alpha is given. So we will get here sin alpha plus beta, it is equal to 1. Sin alpha plus beta equal to 1, or further we can write alpha plus beta equal to sin inverse 1. I have taken sin on the other side, so alpha plus beta equal to sin inverse 1. Now what is the value of alpha? Alpha is sin inverse x, beta is sin inverse y. So we will get sin inverse x plus sin inverse y equal to sin inverse 1. Now differentiate. So if we differentiate here, d by dx of sin inverse x plus d by dx of sin inverse y equal to d by dx of sin inverse 1. Now differential of sin inverse x is 1 upon under root 1 minus x square plus differential of y, sin inverse y will be 1 upon under root 1 minus y square dy by dx equal to 0, equal to constant, that is 1 is constant here, so differential of constant is 0. Or similarly we will get 1 upon under root 1 minus y square dy by dx equal to minus 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. Take this 1 upon under root 1 minus x square on the other side. Now our dy by dx will be, take this under root 1 minus x square y square that side, so it will be minus under root 1 minus y square upon under root 1 minus x square. Now bring all the terms this side because we have to prove it is equal to 0. So here what will we get? Dy by dx plus under root 1 minus y square upon under root 1 minus x square equal to 0. This is the proof. Here, that is, first we have to put x equal to sin alpha, and we from there alpha we replace by sin inverse x, y equal to sin beta, beta is replaced by sin inverse y, and differentiate this. Now next question. Next is given, if y equal to x sin alpha, if y equal to x sin y, prove that dy by dx equal to y upon x 1 minus x cos y. Now see what is given. Given is here. What is given here? Given is here. What is here? Given y equal to x sin y. So differentiate. See here, product of two functions is given. So dy by dx equal to first function into differential of second plus second function into differential of first. First function into differential of second plus second function into differential of first. So dy by dx, it is equal to x. Differential of sin y is cos y, and differential of y will be dy by dx plus sin y into differential of x is 1. Here, first here product of two function is given x sin y. So we will use the product formula, that is first function into differential of second plus second into differential of first. Now for the bring dy by dx one side, so you will get dy by dx minus x cos y dy by dx, it is equal to sin y, equal to sin y. Here dy by dx x cos y dy by dx plus sin y. So or further take dy by dx common, so dy by dx common, so what you will get 1 minus x cos y equal to sin y, equal to sin y, or dy by dx it is equal to sin y upon 1 minus x cos y. Dy by dx equal to sin y upon 1 minus x y. Since see what is given here, y equal to x sin y, and we have to prove here y upon, so we will replace the value of sin y. Sin y it is equal to y by x, sin y is equal to y by x, so replace this sin y by y by x, so we will get here y upon x 1 minus x cos y. So this is the proof. Here this is the proof. So you do all the question here, practice these sums and do it here, and learn by heart all the formula of differentiation.